After watching this video, you'll discover just how easy it is to enrich your garden soil using 5 natural and easily available ingredients. These simple additions can transform your soil into a nutrient-rich haven for your plants, ensuring healthier growth and better harvests. You can add these at any stage of your crop's growth, but applying them before planting gives the best results. Let's explore these amazing soil boosters one by one. On number 1, we have Neem Cake Powder. This fantastic natural fertilizer is made from the residue left after neem seeds are processed for oil. It's a powerhouse of nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, which are essential for your plant's growth. But neem cake doesn't just feed your plants, it also protects them. Its natural compounds repel harmful insects, nematodes, and other pests, keeping your crops safe without the need for chemical pesticides. Neem cake also improves soil health by promoting beneficial microbes, making it healthier over time. It's easy to use. Just mix it into the soil before planting or sprinkle it around your plants during the growing season. Neem cake works well with all types of plants, ensuring lush, green growth and reducing the risk of pest attacks. On number 2, we have limestone, a natural remedy for acidic soil. Many plants struggle in acidic conditions, and limestone is the perfect solution. It balances the soil's pH, making it less acidic and more suitable for plants that prefer alkaline environments. Limestone is also rich in calcium and magnesium, which improve soil structure and promote plant health. This makes it especially beneficial for crops like beans, broccoli, spinach, and kale, which thrive in less acidic conditions. Adding limestone to your soil before planting ensures a stable pH level throughout the growing season. It also helps unlock nutrients already present in the soil, making them more available to your plants. Using limestone is a simple way to give your crops a strong start and healthier growth. On number 3, we have Biochar, which is created by mixing charcoal, non-chlorinated water, and compost. Biochar is a game changer for soil health. It enhances soil structure, allowing roots to grow freely and improving drainage. At the same time, it retains moisture, ensuring that plants have access to water even during dry spells. Biochar also creates a habitat for beneficial soil microbes, which play a key role in breaking down organic matter and releasing nutrients. When combined with compost, biochar becomes a slow-release fertilizer, feeding your plants over time. It's especially useful for water-loving crops like tomatoes, peppers, and fruit trees. To make biochar, soak charcoal in non-chlorinated water to remove impurities, mix it with compost, and then add it to your soil. This simple addition can lead to healthier plants and bigger harvests. On number 4, we have wood ash, a natural byproduct of your bonfire or fireplace. Don't throw it away. It's packed with potassium and other trace minerals like calcium and magnesium that are excellent for plant growth. Potassium is particularly important for helping plants resist diseases and produce more flowers and fruits. Wood ash is also alkaline, so it's perfect for neutralizing acidic soils and making them more suitable for crops that prefer a higher pH. Plants like lettuce, spinach, and cabbage love soil enriched with wood ash. To use it, simply sprinkle a thin layer over your garden beds, or mix it into the soil. Be careful not to over-apply, as too much ash can make the soil overly alkaline. When used in the right amount, wood ash is a natural and cost-effective way to nourish your plants. On number 5, we have bone meal, a highly effective amendment for promoting strong roots and beautiful blooms. Made from ground animal bones, bone meal is an excellent source of phosphorus and calcium. Phosphorus is essential for root development and flowering, helping plants absorb nutrients more effectively and grow sturdier. Calcium strengthens the cell walls of plants, making them more resistant to diseases. Bone meal is particularly useful for root vegetables like carrots, onions, and garlic, as well as flowering plants like tomatoes and peppers. To use bone meal, mix it into the soil before planting or sprinkle it around your plants during the growing season. It slowly releases nutrients, providing a steady supply for your crops. Using bone meal ensures that your plants develop deep roots and vibrant flowers, resulting in a more productive garden. These 5 natural amendments, neem cake powder, limestone, biochar, wood ash, and bone meal, are simple to use and incredibly effective. They enrich the soil, improve plant health, and boost productivity, helping you achieve a thriving garden. Whether you're growing vegetables, fruits, or flowers, these additions will take your gardening to the next level. Give these a try, and you'll see the difference they make in your soil and plants. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your gardening friends, and subscribe to our channel for more.